for the fame. Some people live for the power, yeah.
Some people live just to play the game.
Some people think that the physical things define what's within, and I've been there before, but their lives are so full of the superficial. Some people want it all, but I don't want nothing at all. If it ain't you, baby, if I ain't got you, baby.
No one to share, no one who truly cares for me.
Some people want it all, but I don't want nothing at all. If it ain't you, baby, if I ain't got you, baby. Some people want diamond rings, some just want everything, but everything is nothing if I ain't got you. Yeah.
All right, let us hear from the judges, starting with Conroy.
Again, again, another beautiful sound. A beautiful. I loved how you used. You kind of emoted it in the best way you could, but again, it didn't build to anything. You know, nice sound. You look nice, but it's not a wow.
Anthony.
Lavico, it's not Lavico. Oh, sorry. Yeah. You're a treat. I mean, visually, you're a delight, but vocally, you should wear your size. That's a wrong fit for you. I didn't think you should have chosen that song because you really couldn't develop it. It didn't go anywhere.
Alaine.
You are beautiful. You are the sun, right? There's no doubt that visually you have everything on point, and you can also sing very well. And I saw that you were trying to sell the song, right? But what I wanted more was a connection. Like, okay, so you can be dramatic, but if you don't have there's a connection that you need to establish with the audience and almost make it look to them like they're the ones that you can't live without, right? So you just have to work on just developing your connection with the audience. Open your eyes. It can get better. It wasn't bad, but there is growth that you can accomplish. All heap of things inside of your young lady, just bring them to the surface, and you will be great.